Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and the Supreme Court is now taking center stage in the Trump cases. And I mean in all the Trump cases, but one in particular. And we're going to find out about that right now, but it's great news for former President Donald Trump. Before we get started, I want to ask you, I want to implore you to like and share this video. It helps us so much, you don't even know, and we do appreciate it. Also, please remember to comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. So, Donald Trump, as you know, is in the middle of several trials. One of them, the trial with Jack Smith, another trial with Alvin Bragg, another trial with Letitia James. Now, they're trying to get all these trials done before the election, which is going to be virtually an impossibility. So, they've settled on trying to get the Jack Smith trial done before the election. Okay, fine. Well, here's the issue there: presidential immunity. See, there are things that the president is immune from, and immune from being prosecuted for or sued for after they leave office. Now, the Supreme Court takes center stage because appeals courts have knocked down this claim by Trump. But it looks like the Supreme Court will take it up. Now, will they take it up before or after a decision is rendered? That's debatable. Usually, these courts don't like to take up the matter before a decision is rendered. But in this particular case, it does seem like it's going to be important to actually take this up before we get to a decision, because there's to put Trump through this trial while he's campaigning for president. If the entire thing is a moot point because he can't be prosecuted for it under presidential immunity, that would be a real waste of taxpayers' time, money, and efforts. It would also be a waste of Donald Trump's time, and it would hurt the country. It's hurting the country already, not that Democrats care. But the Supreme Court stepping in here, well, that's going to be a massive deal. It's going to happen, and it's going to be a massive deal. And when they do, it's probably going to be over. I predict the Supreme Court will come down on the side of presidential immunity in this case. And I think it's the right decision. I think what Jack Smith is doing is horrible for the country. If presidents have to go into office wondering if they can be prosecuted for official duties done while they were president, that's very dangerous to the country. It's very dangerous to the office of the presidency. And it would handicap a president from actually doing the job they're supposed to be doing. So I think Jack Smith is on the wrong side of history here, along with the Democrats. Although, are they one and the same? I don't know. I'm not going to cast that aspersion, but it would appear to me that they are very close to one and the same, if not one and the same. The Supreme Court stepping in here would actually, I think, drop the hammer and set a precedent finally for what can and cannot be prosecuted. I also expect that they may step in on the civil trial as well in New York, and they should. What's going on now is humiliating to our country. We're being humiliated on the world stage by people who are obsessed with former President Donald Trump. Obsessed. And that's a problem. Folks, I want to again remind you to please like and share this video. Also, please comment. I want to know your opinions on the story. And of course, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It really helps us out. I'm Carmine Sabia. This is Explain America. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.